Precision Equipments hiring a production engineer. Experience 3 to 7 years. Interested candidates can share their resume through the mail ID hr@pecepl.com. For Chhattisgarh location, Jindal Steel and Power is hiring a GM for head turbine maintenance. Qualification BE BTech in mechanical. Experience 20 to 25 years and 5 years experience as turbine in charge. Mail ID ekta.dooby@jindalpower.com. For Gurgaon, Bangalore, Hyderabad locations, Capgemini is hiring the following positions: protocol developer, modem developers, MME developers. Mail ID reka.malayatil@capgemini.com. Experience 3 to 7 years. Excellent in C, Linux and RTOS concepts. Mail ID reka.malayatil@capgemini.com. Capgemini also hires a Python programmer. Experience 6 to 9 years. Python skills with 4+ years. Mail ID reka.malayatil@capgemini.com. For Noida location, Genpact is hiring a management trainee or assistant manager. Experience 2+ years. Interested candidates can share their resume through the mail ID geeta.palival@genpact.com. Genpact also hires a process developer. Experience minimum 1.5 years. Location Andhra Pradesh. Mail ID jiyadmadin.ansari@genpact.com. For CH Component Private Limited, there is a opening for executive, senior executive. Qualification MBA in HR. Experience up to 6 years. Mail ID chrd02@ch-ich.com. For Noida location, Lava International Limited hires a assistant manager, deputy manager. Qualification Diploma BTech. Experience 7 to 10 years. Interested candidates can share their resume through the mail ID jyoti.sharma@lavainternational.in, manoj.satyavalli.lavainternational.in. Pegatron hires a material controller. Experience 2 to 6 years. Experience in EMS industry. Mail ID kavita_k@pegatroncorp.com. Pegatron Technology hires a campus asset management. Experience 2 to 6 years. Immediate joiners will be preferred. Mail ID kavita_k@pegatroncorp.com. For Singapore location, Metro Chelworks hires a drive test engineer. Qualification bachelor's degree in electrical engineering, computer science or related field. Mail ID singapore@metrochelworks.com.